I just swapped the throttle and the cluster panel. It's my first time turning it on. Got the new all-inclusive panel there, and then the thumb throttle. I don't know, man. The mode button doesn't cycle. It just acts as a power button. I can't cycle through any of the information anymore. So, but it's got turn signals, gear modes now, instead of having them over here on this side. I don't know, do y'all think it was worth it? I don't know, man. These OG ones were pretty good. I don't know why. I kind of feel like I'm cheating on my girlfriend or something. I don't know. I don't know if it was worth it.